Houses were left without electricity and cars were stuck at flood-hit part of England and Wales after heavy rain. Stunned residents report seeing raw sewage run down roads, and shocking photos show the afternoon of heavy rain. Two pubs were among several buildings flooding in downtown Europe, where a nearby river rose on banks and the heavy rain hit country. The country was flooded with heavy rain and strong winds overnight, with the Met Office issued a yellow weather warning until 5 p.m. today for much of the southwest England and Wales, as well as Herefordshire and Shropshire. The UK has been hit by torrential rain that had caused pubs to flood, cars to sink underwater, and sewage to run down the streets. Many homes were left without electricity and cars were stuck due to flooding in parts of England and Wales. This comes after Met Office issued a yellow weather warning due to confirmed heavy rainfall in parts of Wales and southwest England. The UK's National Weather Service said some areas at highest elevation should see 17–19 mm or more of rainfall, with the downpour potentially flooding properly and causing power outage. The Met Office say wet and windy conditions will continue to prevail on the British enter the weekend, thanks in large part of the location of the jet stream. This continues as a new low-pressure system deepening a heat from east. It will remain windy, especially with the stream with some strong gas in the west, and this low will continue to bring flashes of rain and downpours into the weekend.